channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing the Luxe BoxyCharm for this month, June. Shout out and thank you so much to BoxyCharm for sending me the Luxe box. It's a huge box, the regular base box size, so you guys can see. It is huge. Alright, so let's just jump into this video because there are more items in this box. Obviously, the theme is the same, Dare to Dazzle. The first item is by the brand Ciaté London, which I have received already a lot of items from this brand, and I am obsessed with the brand because I've loved every single item that I have received. This is the I Am a Woman, What's Your Superpower palette. It has 24 eyeshadows. It's so pretty. I freaking love the packaging. It's like a comic style. So the palette has the same design as the box. So cute, I love it. You also have a little paper in here in which you have the name of the eyeshadows, because the names of the eyeshadows are women that have been inspiring. Look at the beautiful palette. Again, it's so gorgeous. It feels velvety. You have a beautiful giant mirror. It has a border on the mirror, which is pretty because it has stars. 24 beautiful eyeshadows in here. So gorgeous. I love the color scheme of this palette. It's like mauves with browns, neutrals, pinks. So pretty. I love it. You can make a day to nighttime look. I absolutely love this palette. All the eyeshadows are very soft and they are very pigmented. I freaking love this palette. It's so beautiful. I have nothing bad to say about it. This is also a new launch by the brand, so if you see this palette, I definitely recommend. This palette retails for $45. Next, we have another brand that I do know, and I actually have owned this product before. It is the NARS Blush in the shade Orgasm. Guys, this is a major throwback because this was my very first blush. It is so freaking cute. I really do love the packaging, but I kind of hate it. It's a love and hate relationship because it gets all the dirt on it and it's hard to clean it off. It does have the plastic there that says NARS and that cute little compact mirror. Now look at the beautiful shade. It's like a perfect pink with gold shimmers in it. It's a mix of them too. It's just so gorgeous. I'll never get tired of this blush. It's a very compact size. I love it. If you have not tried this blush, you should definitely give it a try. You are gonna fall in love with it. So pretty. This little guy retails for $30. Next, oh my god guys, next we have a product by a brand I freaking love. It is Luxie. I am so happy. This is the Luxie Florals Brush Set. It's so freaking pretty, guys. This is actually a Boxy exclusive. Here they are. You get a set of 4 brushes and a cute little blender. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. I love it. They're all mint. They're normally pink. And then I got like a blue purple color. And now I got a mint set. It's so freaking cute. And the blender. I also have to say that the handles are different. They are actually matte. They are not glossy. They don't have glitter. They're matte. I love the color combination between the little pouch, which is purple, and the mint color. The first brush that we have here is the Taper Blending Brush. This is the 205. It's so freaking beautiful. The brush is super soft. Their brushes are really good. I've fallen in love with these brushes so much. The quality of the brushes is amazing. Next we have the concealer brush, number 211. It does look like it's a little bit tapered at the tip. It's definitely stiff if you push it down, and it's still soft. Next, you have the eye shading brush, the 213. Again, soft, a little bit stiffer than the taper blending brush. It's so soft. And last but not least, we got the eyeliner brush. This is the 219. I love this little guy. It is so thin and very precise. I don't want to push down so hard on the brush because I don't want to ruin it. I did use this to fill in the top of my crease. It did an amazing job. I loved it. I also can't wait to use it to probably make some designs. Oh yes, and let's not forget the cute little sponge. It's very soft. It does the work. I love that it's small because when you want to do your nose contour, this is the perfect size for it. And for your under eyes, I didn't use it for foundation because I felt like it was a little bit smaller to do the foundation, but definitely used it to blend my concealer on the nose, on the forehead, on my chin, smaller areas. Those are the 4 brushes and the beautiful little pouch. I love this set. I'm so happy I got more Luxie brushes. This beautiful set retails for $40. Now for the next item, it is another brand that I recently discovered. It is the brand Avant. This is the Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. The product that I had was a face cream and I freaking loved it, and this did not disappoint. This is a clear bottle. It has the lip wand. It's so pretty. It's clear. Very simple, but it's pretty. It's a serum for your lips, so it's not thick. It definitely does taste sweet. When I had it sitting on my lips, I got a little taste of it, so I don't know what it was. It actually didn't taste bad. Smooth evenly over your lips as needed. May be used on your lipstick or alone. It is designed to simultaneously plump and nourish your lips. The hyaluronic acid works to intense, hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. So you don't have to worry about it feeling sticky. I thought it would be, but it's not. It's very lightweight. I did feel the hydration on my lips. I didn't feel any tingliness. It doesn't have a scent. This little guy retails for $122. The next item that we have in here is by a brand I did not know of. This is by The Word. This is the Woke Cool Steam Eye Mask. The packaging is everything. And I thought it was just like a box that you slide out, but no, it is a magnetic box that I'm not throwing out. It says here, intense hydration reduces dark circles and puffy eyes. Wow, I am in for this. Anything for my under eyes, anything to hydrate them, to depuff them, to reduce dark circles that I have, I will take it. And you open it up. Wow, it's a pretty box. It says here, 1 eye mask, adjustable length and strap, which is this little beautiful pink one, hot or cold gel, reusable heating, plus cooling gels, which are these guys. The eye mask is very silky. You can definitely use this eye mask for regular sleeping, like without any patches inside. You can either use these cold or hot, so you can put them in the fridge or the freezer for, I believe, 15 to 20 minutes. If you want the steam therapy, place them in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds. Do not surpass 15 seconds. You will see they have an opening here. You can just throw them in there. I did put them in my mini fridge and I left them in for like about 20 minutes. Feels so cooling and refreshing on your eyes. I loved it. And then lastly, heat cells. Use anywhere plus anytime, single use session. It reduces circles and puffy eyes, soothes dry plus irritated eyes. And it also says here, headache relief. This is good. You get 2 bags. They're like tea bags. Once you open the bag, the patches start warming up within like seconds. So as soon as you open them, you want to place these bags into the eye mask. Put your face mask on. You will start feeling these little bags getting hot. It's not a hot that will burn you. It was a good hot. Once you're done with these, you have to throw them out. It's a single use session. My eyes felt really good. I love this whole idea. And it also is a new launch by the brand The Word. Good job, The Word. I freaking love this. This little guy retails for $49.99. Next, we have another brand that I got to know within the boxes that I have received. It is Earth Harbor. Oh my god, I love Earth Harbor. This is the Sunstone Hair Revive Elixir. It has seaweed and jasmine. I freaking love them because they are purely natural. I love that it comes in a glass bottle. It does have a dropper. This fortifies, nourishes, and revives dull, damaged hair using superfood seaweed seaweed, and coconut. Anti-pollution properties of jasmine and calendula flowers. And ultra rejuvenation of carrot seed and jojoba oils. There's two ways of using this. The first one is the way I used it in this tutorial, is you apply a few drops on my hand and then I just ran through my hair from the strands to the tips of my hair. The second way is to massage it into your scalp. It promotes energy to hair follicles and envelop hair in crowning aroma of fruit, flowers, and fresh earth. When you do use it as a scalp treatment, you can leave it in for 3 minutes or you can wash it out. The one that I used is called the Ritual. 5 to 15 generous drops over hair ends and strands. Keep in for as long as needed for at least 10 minutes before washing out. For extra benefit, leave in. So I left it in. I'm still gonna shower. I definitely feel it. It made my hair so soft. I do want to use it as a scalp treatment because it does fortify your hair and it does have a scent. It smells like jasmine tea. This little guy retails for $30. Next we have another brand that I do know. It is by Dr.Brandt and this is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. It visibly smooths wrinkles and helps prevent signs of aging. The packaging is so cute. It says #say I love you with pride. It has the rainbow on top as well. I love that. This antioxidant enriched moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. It's formulated with a revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant, anti-stress ingredients that help preserve a youthful appearance. It has a very lightweight texture. It does not feel heavy at all. This is also a new launch by Dr.Brandt. I love this. This guy retails for $64. And last but not least, I got an item by a brand I did not know of. This is the Smith French Dublin. This is the Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. It smells like wild pine, woodland mint, and rosemary. This invigorating hand wash is power packed with uplifting essence, lovingly made in Ireland. Wow! And enriched with locally sourced ingredients. It helps to clear the mind, energize, and inspire. I love the packaging, the color of the bottle. It is plastic though. I love it. This smells so relaxing. I smelled something like this before. I just don't know what. It definitely does smell like woodland mint and wild pine. All of them mixed together. It just smells so good. This little guy will cleanse your skin without leaving it dry. This little guy retails for $25. And that was everything that we got in the Luxe BoxyCharm for this month. For this box, I do not have a favorite item. I honestly loved every single one of the items. I cannot pick one. I wouldn't be able to leave one out because they're all amazing. But if you have a favorite, please don't forget to leave it in the comments down below. Now, the total value for this box is insanely high, guys. The total value is $405.99. That is amazing. And this subscription is completely different to the premium and the base box. First of all, this Luxe box is a quarterly subscription box, which means you get it every 3 months. March, June, September, and December. Make sure to subscribe to them. I don't know if you'll be able to get this box. So the next box will be till September. Now the other difference is that we get 8 full-size products, or you could even get more than 8. You would get beauty and lifestyle items in this box, so a mix of both. And you also get to choose up to 2 items in this. And this subscription is for $49.99. So instead of paying $405.99, you would only pay $49.99. It's a lot of savings. You get a lot of products. You get customization, the add-ons, you get access to the pop-up online store, and you also get rewards. And that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked all the 3 videos separately for each of the boxes from BoxyCharm. If you did like it, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Remember to leave your favorite item in the comments down below. And now we're gonna jump into the makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys to my next video. Bye!